here a laundry lint bin. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to use it in my laundry room. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice little tin that I can put on my washer or my dryer. So it comes with the bin itself, comes with a lint taker outer brush right here to help clean the lint out. Also comes with 2 different ways you can hook it up. Has some screws or an adhesive strip. And then also on the back here, it has a magnetic strip here. So you can also put it on your washer or dryer directly. And these are the little holes if you decide to use it these other ways. So this is my dryer right here. When I use a magnetic part to it, it hooks really nicely. It's nice and strong and sturdy. Super easy to open up and to close whenever I need. So inside here, I can keep the lint brush inside here if I want to, and the lint if I want. Or I could get a little hook and hook it up right here, the brush, if I want to. Or I could even keep my little lint balls here for drying right here. So there's multiple purposes that I can use this for, which is super nice. So this lint brush is going to be really helpful to help me get the extra lint that I can't in my dryer. You can see it's getting a bunch off, and then I can use my lint container to store the lint. So this laundry lint bin is super nice. I love that I can store the extra lint from my dryer in here. I can use my dryer balls as a storage in here for them. So you can use it for whatever you want, not just lint, which is really nice. If I have other little small items for your laundry room that you want to store in here, you could do that. Or you could even use it as a decorative item in your house. So I'd recommend it to anyone that wants a fun little lint bin. It's super nice and really easy to use.